Perverse subsidies are when we fund an activity that's actually detrimental to society. So let's think about fisheries. In this graph here, I've shown the effort, that might be the amount of fishing effort, the number of boats. This is the yield, the value of the catch you get. And so the more you fish, the more fish you get, until you reach the maximum sustainable yield, and after that your yield is lower because you're overfishing. Then let's also think of the cost. So this is the total cost of having more fishing boats, say. And here is the biggest difference, the maximum economic yield, which is where you really want to be if you're not at the maximum sustainable yield. But if this is an open access fishery, so anyone can join, then more and more boats will join until you reach this point here at which the yield is balanced by the cost. And this is where many of our global fisheries lie. They're massively overexploited. We could catch more fish with far fewer boats, and the fishing communities make very little money. And this is a serious problem. So what you do about it, the easy thing for politicians to do is then subsidize these fishing communities. So if you do that, you reduce the costs. And initially that might work out fine, but the problem is you'll then soon reach a lower equilibrium, which has made the problem even worse. There's yet more boats, there's an even lower total catch, and the community is poorer again. So this is called a perverse subsidy. It's paying money that makes the problem worse. And this is a massive problem in fishing communities where subsidies globally, large numbers of billions of dollars, and cause a lot of this problem. So what can you do about this? Well, what we really want to do is to find ways of reducing effort by reducing the catch, reducing the number of boats, reducing the gear that's used, anything like that, which is politically often quite challenging to do, but that's really where you have to be. If you subsidize the costs by means of subsidizing fuel or gear or employment, you just tend to make things worse. So that's why perverse subsidies are such a striking problem, and they apply to any issue whereby you're subsidizing something that makes the outcome worse for society.